The history of the Vikings is an epic saga that stretches across centuries, filled with bold conquests, deeply rooted pagan rituals, and a dramatic transformation through Christianity. Hailing from the rugged Scandinavian lands of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, the Vikings rose to prominence as fearless seafarers and fierce warriors between the late 8th and early 11th centuries. Their relentless raids and ambitious settlements throughout Europe, especially in England, not only disrupted kingdoms, but also rewrote the continent's political and cultural story, leaving behind a legacy that continues to echo through modern times. As we delve into the Viking Age, we will explore the significance of their conquests, which were not merely acts of pillage, but also opportunities for trade, cultural exchange, and the establishment of new communities. The Vikings were deeply rooted in their pagan beliefs, worshipping a pantheon of gods and goddesses, which played a crucial role in their identity and way of life. However, the gradual conversion to Christianity brought profound changes, influencing their culture and societal structures. Understanding Viking culture is essential to grasping the complexities of medieval Europe. Their legacy is woven into the fabric of history, showcasing a unique blend of ferocity and creativity that transformed nations and fostered connections across diverse peoples. Join us as we embark on an engaging exploration of this fascinating era. The early beginnings of the Vikings can be traced back to the rugged landscapes of Scandinavia, encompassing modern-day Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. This region, characterized by its fjords, forests, and harsh winters, shaped the Viking way of life, fostering a culture of resilience and adaptability. The geographical context played a crucial role in their societal structure, as communities were often organized around clans and tribes, each led by chieftains who wielded significant power and influence. Key figures such as Harald Fairhair, who was credited with unifying Norway, and the legendary Ragnar Lothbrok, a semi-mythical hero, helped to shape Viking identity and inspire future generations. Prominent tribes, including the Danes, Norwegians, and Swedes, each contributed to the rich tapestry of Viking culture, with distinct customs and traditions that reflected their unique environments. Trade and exploration were vital components of early Viking society. The Vikings were not only fierce warriors, but also skilled traders and navigators. They established extensive trade networks that reached as far as the Byzantine Empire and the Arab world, exchanging goods such as furs, amber, and iron for silver, spices, and textiles. This emphasis on trade and exploration laid the groundwork for their later conquests and interactions with other cultures, ultimately shaping the course of European history. Before their conversion to Christianity, the Vikings practiced a rich and complex system of paganism centered around a pantheon of Norse gods, each embodying different aspects of life and nature. Key figures included Odin, the All-Father and god of wisdom and war, Thor, the thunder god known for his strength and protection, and Freya, the goddess of love and fertility. These deities played significant roles in Viking life, guiding their actions and decisions, particularly in matters of war, agriculture, and family. Rituals and sacrifices were integral to Viking spirituality, often conducted to appease the gods and ensure their favor. These ceremonies could involve offerings of food, animals, or even human sacrifices, particularly during significant events such as harvests or battles. Mythology was deeply woven into the fabric of Viking culture, with sagas and tales passed down through generations, providing moral lessons and a sense of identity. The beliefs of the Vikings influenced their culture and conquests, instilling a sense of destiny and purpose in their endeavors. The idea of Valhalla, a glorious afterlife for warriors who died bravely in battle, motivated many to seek glory and honor through conquest. This intertwining of faith and action not only shaped their worldview, but also propelled them into the annals of history as formidable explorers and warriors. The late 8th century marked the dawn of the Viking Age, a period characterized by extensive exploration, trade, and conquest. One of the most significant events that heralded this era was the raid on Lindisfarne in 793 AD. This attack on the Northumbrian monastery is often cited as the beginning of Viking incursions into the British Isles. The brutal pillaging of Lindisfarne shocked the Christian world, highlighting the Vikings' prowess as formidable raiders and signaling the start of a series of assaults on monasteries and settlements across Europe. Motivations behind these Viking raids were multifaceted. Economic factors played a crucial role, as the Vikings sought wealth and resources to support their growing populations. Additionally, political instability in Scandinavia prompted many to seek fortune and land elsewhere. The allure of new territories and the promise of glory in battle drove many Norsemen to embark on these daring expeditions. The term Viking encompasses both raiders and settlers, reflecting the dual nature of their endeavors. While many are familiar with the image of fierce warriors plundering coastal towns, it is essential to recognize that Vikings also established settlements, integrating into local cultures and contributing to the development of new societies. This dual identity, as both conquerors and colonizers, profoundly shaped the history of Europe during this transformative period. The Viking conquests of England were marked by a series of significant invasions and battles that reshaped the landscape of the British Isles. One of the most notable events was the arrival of the Great Heathen Army in 865 AD, a formidable coalition of Viking warriors from Denmark. This invasion aimed to conquer and settle in England, leading to a series of fierce confrontations with local kingdoms. The establishment of Danelaw, a region in England under Viking control, was a direct result of these conquests. Danelaw encompassed parts of modern-day East Anglia, Northumbria, and Mercia, where Norse laws and customs were implemented. This settlement had a profound impact on English society, facilitating cultural exchange and trade between the Vikings and the Anglo-Saxons, while also introducing new agricultural practices and governance structures. Key figures emerged during this tumultuous period, most notably King Alfred the Great of Wessex. Alfred's leadership and military strategies were pivotal in resisting Viking incursions. His successful defense against the Vikings at the Battle of Edington in 878 AD led to a peace treaty that recognized Dane law and allowed for coexistence. Alfred's efforts not only preserved his kingdom, but also laid the groundwork for the eventual unification of England, showcasing the complex interplay between conflict and cooperation during the Viking Age. The Viking conquests of England facilitated significant cultural interactions between the Norse and Anglo-Saxon societies, leading to a rich blending of traditions and practices. As Vikings settled in various regions, particularly within Danelaw, they brought their customs, beliefs, and artistic expressions, which began to merge with those of the Anglo-Saxons. This cultural fusion is evident in various aspects of daily life, from architecture to social practices. Viking art, characterized by intricate designs and motifs, influenced Anglo-Saxon craftsmanship, resulting in unique artifacts that showcased a combination of styles. The use of runes and the introduction of Norse vocabulary into the English language also marked a significant linguistic exchange. Many Old Norse words related to seafaring, trade, and governance became integrated into the English lexicon, enriching the language and reflecting the interconnectedness of the two cultures. Moreover, the Vikings introduced new governance structures and legal practices that impacted local systems. The concept of local assemblies, or things, where community decisions were made, found resonance in Anglo-Saxon governance, fostering a sense of shared authority. These cultural exchanges not only shaped the immediate interactions between the Vikings and Anglo-Saxons, but also laid the groundwork for the future of England. The blending of these cultures contributed to the development of a more unified English identity, influencing art, language, and societal norms for generations to come. Conversion to Christianity. The gradual conversion of the Vikings to Christianity was a complex process influenced by various factors, including the efforts of missionaries and the establishment of churches across Scandinavia. Early missionaries, such as Ansgar, played a crucial role in spreading Christian teachings, often facing significant challenges in their endeavors. They traveled to Viking territories, establishing churches and engaging with local leaders to promote the new faith, which was often seen as a means to gain political alliances and enhance trade relations with Christian kingdoms. The response to Christianity among Viking leaders varied widely. Some embraced the new faith, recognizing its potential to unify their people and strengthen their rule. Figures like King Harald Bluetooth of Denmark famously converted to Christianity in the 10th century, using his newfound faith to consolidate power and promote stability. However, resistance remained strong among others who clung to their pagan beliefs, viewing Christianity as a threat to their cultural identity and traditions. The impact of conversion on Viking culture and society was profound. As Christianity took root, it led to the decline of pagan practices and the reformation of social structures. The introduction of Christian values influenced art, literature, and law, fostering a shift towards a more centralized governance system. Ultimately, the conversion to Christianity marked a significant turning point in Viking history, shaping their legacy and integrating them into the broader tapestry of European civilization. The legacy of the Vikings continues to resonate in modern culture and history, celebrated through various forms of heritage and remembrance. Contemporary society honors Viking heritage through festivals, reenactments, and museums dedicated to their achievements and way of life. Events such as Viking markets and historical fairs attract enthusiasts and families alike, fostering a sense of connection to this dynamic past and promoting interest in Norse tradition. Viking stories and legends have also made a significant impact on popular culture, inspiring countless books, films, and television series. Iconic characters like Thor and Loki from Marvel Comics, as well as shows like Vikings, have brought Norse mythology to a global audience, blending historical narratives with imaginative storytelling. These representations not only entertain, but also spark curiosity about the Viking Age and its complexities. Studying Viking history is crucial for understanding the development of Europe as a whole. Their explorations, trade networks, and cultural exchanges played a pivotal role in shaping the continent's political and social landscape. By examining the Vikings' interactions with other cultures, we gain insights into the processes of integration, conflict, and adaptation that have defined European history. Ultimately, the enduring legacy of the Vikings serves as a reminder of the intricate tapestry of human experience and the interconnectedness of our past. In this video, we have explored the fascinating history of the Vikings, highlighting their remarkable conquests, cultural shifts, and the lasting impact they have had on Europe and beyond. From their daring raids, such as the significant attack on Lindisfarne, to the establishment of Danelaw and the blending of Norse and Anglo-Saxon cultures, the Vikings played a pivotal role in shaping the medieval landscape. We also examined their gradual conversion to Christianity, which marked a significant transformation in their societal structures and beliefs. Understanding the Viking legacy is essential, as it provides valuable insights into the development of European history and the interconnectedness of cultures. Their stories, traditions, and influences continue to resonate in contemporary society, reminding us of the complexities of human experience and the enduring nature of cultural exchange. If you enjoyed this exploration of Viking history, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also be interested in learning about the Vikings and their remarkable legacy. Your support helps us continue to create informative and entertaining videos that delve into the rich tapestry of our shared past. Thank you for watching.